I'm quite sure most people know this guy. But do you know this guy? Hey, this is Rochelle and welcome to Multiple Passive Streams of Income. This guy plays for the LA Lakers and his name is Quinn Cook. Quinn Cook signed a one-year contract with the Los Angeles Lakers for $1.7 million guaranteed for the 2020 season. He played in 44 games and he averaged 5 points, 1 rebound, and 1 assist per game. So why am I bringing this up? To emphasize that being a bench warmer on team private label can pay nicely. What I mean by bench warmer is that Quinn Cook has a skill set. This skill set is good enough to play ball professionally, but he isn't playing many minutes. But not being the best or near best allows him to make close to $2 million a year. The same holds true for Amazon private labeling. The most important skill set is product research. There are free YouTube videos. Hint, hint, this is a YouTube channel that has those free videos. I constantly repeat differentiation and show examples, but all kidding aside, there's a lot of free content to learn from. You can also invest less than $55 USD monthly to join a monthly subscription Amazon education through AOE to get a feel for the content. And if you like that content, purchase a product discovery session with an experienced Amazon seller for a one-time cost of less than $200 USD. If you are still struggling with selecting a product to sell on Amazon, get an AOE coach for a few months and solely dedicate that time to product discovery. I'm very confident that you will have a bona fide, financially life-changing product if you invest in AOE coaching for 3 months. If one of the AOE coaches isn't your cup of tea, there are many to learn from, so no worries there. For years, I struggled trying to figure out how to make money online. I tried Amazon retail arbitrage. I tried online arbitrage, Shopify, print on demand, Facebook ads, affiliate marketing, and many more non-online unsuccessful ventures. But what resonated and eventually became profitable is Amazon private labeling. Learning private labeling involves a lot of little skill sets. Product research, dealing with suppliers, shipping, creating good listings and product images, optimizing PPC. And as I always stress, product research and optimizing PPC is probably the most important 2 skill sets needed to succeed in private labeling. If you pick the right product to source, in my opinion, you are 80% there. A coach will help you evaluate the market potential, search term demand, competition, healthy margins, and so many other metrics that as a beginner, you may not evaluate correctly. Now, I failed at 3 products because I chose them myself and I did not differentiate. I didn't really understand how to differentiate. I thought I was doing it correctly, but no cigar. And how important that one criteria is. One product caused a patent claim against me that cost me close to 5 G's to correct. Not only did those 3 failed products and patent issue cost thousands, but the time I lost was even more valuable because that probably took over a year in time, which delayed the profitability and scaling that I'm experiencing now. I can only imagine the monthly profitability I would be at now had I had this product a year ago. Being truthful to myself, had I heard this video and advice when I first started, I would have ignored this advice because the course would have seemed too costly. And how do I know if a coach will give me the results I'm looking for? And the truth is, you don't know if you're going to get those results. But after the first failed product, that should have been a warning sign for me to get a coach. So I always say, try your first product if you think coaching is too costly. And if your product isn't profitable, you probably need a coach. The great thing is you can subscribe to AOE, learn and get a full course and test it out for a month and cancel if it doesn't give you value. Along with the course, you get weekly, hourly calls with continuing education. I learn something new every single week. This allows you to test the waters before jumping in. With that said, call me the Quinn Cook of private labeling. I'm a prime, and that's no pun intended, example of an Amazon selling bench warmer, having so much to learn, but my 5 points, 1 rebound, and 1 assist per game skill set allows me to make over 2,000 plus monthly net profit with the potential to scale with very little effort. This is why I say you are one product away from changing your life financially. As always, thanks for your time, as I know you could be any other place right now. Take care.